Hey guys, so in this lesson we are going to learn about conflicts in Git. So a conflict basically occurs when two people are working on the same project and both of them edit the same file and the same line of code. So when one of them pushes the work up and the other person tries to push their own commit, Git will basically complain to say that you two have edited the same line of code. Which one should I choose? So that's referred to as conflict. And in this lesson, we'll learn how to resolve a conflict, how to choose one over the other. Okay, so to actually make this work, I will create edit a line as Diana, commit that change and push it up to GitHub master, and then change into Kingsley's computer, edit the same line, commit that, and then try to push it up, and then see if we can create a conflict that way. So let's open up Sublime. Okay, so I'm just going to edit line 8 and just put edited by Diana and save this. We also want to close this down because we don't have two separate computers. We have just one computer. We're pretending the folder system is used by two different people. So I'm going to close this down so it can actually work. All right, so I have edited line 8 by Diana, committed that change, and I've pushed it up to GitHub. All right, so now on Kingsley's computer, let's open up Sublime and double check that line 8 hasn't got anything there. It hasn't got edited by Diana because this is a Kingsley's copy of the code. Okay, so I've added my own change on the same line and I've saved the work. All right, so I've edited the same line, committed my change, and I've tried to push it up to origin master, and it was rejected. Well, it was rejected not because of the conflict, but it was rejected because someone else has already pushed up changes to master branch, which I don't have yet. So Git is trying to make sure that my code is always up to date. So what I need to do is do a Git pull, which will merge Diana's change into my machine. And now in the process of merging Diana's work into my machine, it's basically found a conflict. So it says here we have a merge conflict in index.html. Now when we go into index.html project, and we have to remember we're logged in as Kingsley. So it says here the head, which is my head, Kingsley computer. It says we have these two changes. You see this here? This was put in there by Git, and this too. So it's saying my computer has that in there, but the one that has been pulled down has this in there. So which one of these two do I want to keep and which one do I want to get rid of? So I could say, I want to keep Diana's one. So all you have to do now is get rid of this, and also delete that line there. So that's conflict resolved. So now I have to go back in here. So it tells us we have unmerged work there. So what you have to do is git add and git commit without a message, and then a message basically will be created for us. Write and quit, and that's it. Now if I say git status, no more conflicts. Now it says your branch is ahead of origin. I did some tests previously, that's why it has 3 comments in there. So now I can say git push origin master. And now it doesn't complain anymore. So what we've done is look at the process of resolving a merge conflict. A merge conflict occurs when 2 people work on exactly the same file and the same lines of code. And to resolve it, you basically have to choose one person's implementation over the other. So this is where you can send them a message on Slack or whatever chat mechanism that you use at work, or just walk over to their desk and say, we both edited the same line of code. Which one should we keep? All right, guys. So that's it for Git conflicts, and I'll see you in the next lesson.